Today on OsoGrandeKnives TV, we're looking at the CRKT Diaviation folding knife. This is designed by Terry Lee Renner. It's a very futuristic looking everyday carry knife. It's got a index finger flipper for opening the blade. There are no thumb studs or thumb holes, just utilization of the flipper opens it very effortlessly. It's got a titanium nitride finished two-tone handle. It's a very unique angular design, but it's surprisingly comfortable to hold. Opening is super smooth thanks to the IKBS ball bearing pivot system. You have ball bearings in there to pivot it open. Attractive hardware on the knife. The blade is very shiny with a mirror polish on that. Hollow ground. The pocket clip is mounted on the butt end for tip-up right-hand carry. It's also reversible for tip-up left-hand. You have some jimping there on the liner lock so that you can easily close it. Here's a slow-mo of the liners. It's a stylish knife, but it's heavy duty enough to be able to handle all the cutting chores that you're likely to encounter. Overall, it measures in at 7.63 with a 3.1 inch blade, a thickness of 0.12 of an inch. Blade steel is 8 CR14 MOV stainless. It's been hardened to 58 to 59. And these are quite sharp right out of the box. It's a tanto style blade. Handle length is 4.54 inches, 0.44 inches thick. Solid stainless steel. The weight is 5.9 ounces. If you're looking for a stylish, futuristic looking tanto knife that's heavy duty, smooth opening, and built tough, this CRKT Shard is an excellent pick. And you can purchase these for less at OsoGrandeKnives.com. We thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more knife reviews. This is OsoGrandeKnives TV, where you can watch, decide, and equip. When the situation demands a knife, OsoGrandeKnives.com is your quality connection. We've got unbeatable low prices on thousands of knives and super fast shipping, all with world-class customer service. Thanks for your support.